Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Success EduTech. My name is Gajanan. Today we are discussing about some more problem of a simultaneous equation. In this problem, your variable is present at a denominator. Now, how to solve this type of problem we are discussing in this lecture. Before this, I have explained the simultaneous equation by traditional method, graphical method, and a Cramer's rule method. Here is a Cramer's rule method is the easiest one for solving any type of simultaneous equation. This was the easiest method to solve it. Now, I hope you have gone through the previous one video. If you do not go, don't worry, I have mentioned a link in the description. Now let's see, without wasting our time, now start our session. Now, this is one of your problem from your book. Here your variable is present at a denominator, that is x and y present at a denominator. Now how to approach or how to convert this type of equation into the simple one. Now let's see. After replacing 1 by x, now I am replacing 1 by x equal to m and 1 by y equal to n. Then my equation become 4m plus 5n equal to 7. Now 3m plus 4n equal to 5. Now solve this two simultaneous equation by any of the methods, that is Cramer's rule method or a traditional one method. Now I am here explaining by Cramer's rule method how to solve. Now this is my determinant, that is 4, 3, 5, 4. So my value become d equal to 5, 5, 4, 4 are 16, 5 3 are 15. 16 minus 15 we get d equal to 1. So dx equal to we get and dm equal to 7, 5, 4, 5, 4. So 5, 4, 7, 4 are 28, 28 minus 25 we get here 3. So m equal to we get 3. So n equal to now, n equal to we get, that is say 4, 3, 7, 5. So here get minus 1. So after, so I get a value of m is equal to, we get a value of m is equal to, that is 3 and n equal to minus 1. Now replacing a value of m and n, now after replacing a value of m equal to, मैं m equal to क्या पुट किया था मैंने, m equal to 1 by x. तो m की वैल्यू कितनी आया था मेरा 3. If I m equal to 3 equal to 1 by x, if I take x here and 3 equal, so my x become x equal to 1 by 3. Now similarly minus 1 equal to 1 by y. If I take y this side and 1 this side, so we get y equal to minus 1. This is my solution of a simple simultaneous solution of a equation 1, that is 4 by x plus 5 by y equal to 7. This is the solution of this equation, above equation. I hope you are clear. Now I will tell you one another problem or explain one another problem based on this. Now this is a C, another type of problem asking in a question paper. This type is very much important. Here you have to apply 2 times simultaneous equation method. Now let's see. Whenever there is a variable present at a denominator, either in the any format or a combination of a two variable, simply replace that variable by another variable. That is, I am taking here 1 by x minus y equal to a, 1 by x plus y equal to b. So after replacing this, we get these two equations, that is 3 and 4 number equation. Now for this I am solving again determinant method. So if I solve by determinant by Cramer's rule method, so we get, क्या मिलेगा मुझे, 4, that is 4, 2, 1 minus 3. 4 3s are minus 12, minus 12 minus 2. So we get minus 14. After replacing now dx, so dA, so मेरा 3, 5, 1 minus 3. So we get minus 9 minus 5. So we get minus 14. So x a इक्वल टू क्या मिलता मुझे, a इक्वल टू मिलता मुझे 1. सो b इक्वल टू क्या मिलेगा मुझे, -4 2, 4, 2, 3, 5. So 5 4s are 20, 20 minus 6, 20 minus 6, we get 14. So b equal to we get minus 1. After replacing, now replace the value of a and b, then we get, after replacing the value of a and b, we get a two equation, that is x minus y equal to 1, x plus y equal to minus 1. After solving this, we get a equation. After solving, we get a value of x and y, x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 1. These are the solution. This is the solution of my equation, simultaneous equation. Now let's see one example from your exercise, that is here. Now see, your variable is present at a denominator, x and y are present at a denominator. Now simply I am replacing the values, that is 1 by x, I am putting 1 by x equal to m and 1 by y equal to n. After putting a value, we get this type of equation. Now solve this determinant. Now d equal to what we get? After solving, d equal to, after putting in the Cramer's rule method, d equal to this type of, now d equal to we get 34. Now solving for a dm, now dm equal to we get this type of matrix or a determinant. Now dm equal to we get 309. Now after solving again, dn, for a dn, here we have solved for a dm and we have solved, first of all we solve for a d, now for a dn or for a dn. Now let's see what we get. So dn equal to we get 34. After solving, we get m equal to dm equal to dm by d. So we get m equal to 9 and n equal to 1. After replacing this value, we get, replace the value of m and then we get m equal to 1 by x equal to 9. So x equal to we get 1 by 9 and y equal to we get 1. So this is a solution of my equation. So solution of my equation is, that is x equal to 1 by 9 and y equal to 1. So my solution become 1 by 9 comma 1. This is a solution of my first one equation. Now I hope you are clear and you have understand how to solve this type of problem. Try to solve it, this three problem at your home. This is for a practice. If you have any problem, you can comment me or you can tell me. If you have any doubts regarding your problems, you can comment in a comment section. Now let's see some another example, that is a word problem, how to solve or how to approach a word problem. Now let's see, this is one of the example from your book, that is here mentioned. A perimeter of a rectangle is 40 सेंटीमीटर. क्या दिया है? पेरीमीटर्स क्या होता है? अब रेक्टेंगल क्या होता है? एक रेक्टेंगल है, इसका पेरीमीटर निकालना है. सो मुझे क्या करना होता है? इसकी एडिशन पेरीमीटर में से समेशन ऑफ ऑल साइड. सो इसकी दो साइड से, दैट इज ब्रेथ, ये है ब्रेथ, ये है लेंथ, ये लेंथ है. सो 2 टाइम्स ऑफ ब्रेथ प्लस लेंथ. सो माई इक्वेशन, फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बिकम 2 into x plus y equal to 40. So my first equation will become x plus y equal to 20. Now the length and the length of a rectangle is more than the double its breadth. So length of a rectangle means, length of rectangle क्या लिया था मैंने? x और ये मेरा y. समझ लो x is equal to twice plus 2 है, तो x minus twice y we get equal to 2. This is another equation we get. Now two equations are, now we get a two equation, that is x plus y equal to 20, x minus 2y equal to 20. Now we are trying to solve this by simultaneous equation, that is here we have to make a coefficient of y is similar. So I multiply equation number 1 by 2. So we get 2x minus 2y equal to 40. Now x minus 2y equal to 2. After calling 3x equal to 42. So x equal to, we get 14. Now we get a value of x equal to 14. Now we are able to find y equal to what we get? Y equal to, put this x equal to in equation number 1. So y equal to 20 minus x. So y equal to 20 minus 14, y equal to 6. This is our equation, that is 14 comma 6. This is the solution of your, this is the length and the breadth of your rectangle. Now this is by solve by determinant method, that is Cramer's method. Now see, this is our problem by determinant method or a simultaneous equation. Now again I am telling you simultaneous equation, that is x minus x plus y equal to 20 था, x minus 2y equal to x minus y 2y equal to 2 था. सो इसे मैंने साइमल्टेनियस सॉल्व किया था तो मुझे क्या मिला था, x 3x इक्वल टू 42. सो मुझे x इक्वल टू कितना मिला 14 और y इक्वल टू कितना मिला 6. You can solve this equation by any of the method. We get a similar answer if you are trying, or if your values are accurate, then we get a similar answer. Not a single value or not a sign value changes. Not a sign also changes of your values. Now length of a rectangle is now 14 centimeter and breadth of a rectangle is 20. पहले दिन का सेल लिखे हुआ है. जो एनालॉग वॉच रहती है ना, जहाँ पे एनालॉग रहती है और एक डिजिटल वॉच रहती है. सो एनालॉग वॉच कितना बेच रहा था 11 और 6. सो आई एम टेकन एनालॉग वॉच फॉर x and digital watch for a y. So my equation become 11x plus 6y equal to 4330 and second is 22x plus 5y equal to 7330. So we get these two equation. Now after getting these two equation, how to solve a question? Now let's see. In your book there is an explanation also given. That is first equation my 11x plus 6y equal to 433. सेकंड इक्वेशन कंडीशन के हिसाब से, सो मेरा 22x प्लस 5y इक्वल टू 3. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 2, वी यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 बाय 2. सो हियर आई एम मेकिंग अ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x इज सिमिलर. सो पहले इक्वेशन को अगर मैं 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करता तो मुझे कहता है 22x माइनस 12y इक्वल टू माइनस 4660. सो मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट करता हूँ इक्वेशन नंबर 3 जो मिला है 3 उसमें से दूसरा. सो वी गेट y इक्वल टू 190 मीन्स y की वैल्यू कितना है, एक घड़ी मीन्स डिजिटल क्लॉक कितनी की थी 190 रुपये की बेच रहा था. सो मुझे x निकालना है, मीन्स अभी किसके एनालॉग वॉच की कीमत निकालना है. तो मैं ये जो y का वैल्यू है मैं किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में 1 या 2 में डाल दूंगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा 11. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में डालता हूँ मैं 11x इक्वल टू 6 इंटू वाई, 11x प्लस 6y था तो y की जगह 190 डाल देता हूँ और मेरे 4330. आफ्टर पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू वी गेट x इक्वल टू 290. मीन्स मेरे एनालॉग क्लॉक की वॉच की कीमत कितनी है 290 रुपये एंड डिजिटल क्लॉक की कीमत कितनी है 190 रुपये. सो माई सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ एनालॉग क्लॉक इज 290 एंड डिजिटल क्लॉक is 190 rupees. This is the approach of a word problem or application in a word problem of simultaneous equation. This is the main application. How to convert a word problem into the simple simultaneous equation and get a answer. This is a practical approach, or you can say application of your word problem. Now let's see one another example. Now here is a certain amount is equally distributed among a number of student. कुछ बच्चों को भी इसमें एक अमाउंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है, बांट दिया है. सो ईच विल गेट 2 रुपीज़ लेस इफ 10 स्टूडेंट वेयर मोर एंड ईच विल गेट 6 रुपीज़ मोर इफ 15 स्टूडेंट आर लेस. मीन्स अगर 10 बच्चे, टोटल अमाउंट कितना है, लेट नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट विल बी x एंड स्टूडेंट विल बी y. अगर क्या कह रहा है पहली स्टेटमेंट पढ़े, टोटल अमाउंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड दैट इज एक्स वाई. सो मेरी टोटल अमाउंट क्या हुई एक्स वाई. फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट कंडीशन वी गेट एक्स. अगर 10 बच्चे ज़्यादा है मीन्स क्या कह रहा है लेस मीन्स कम है तो वाई माइनस 2 रुपीज़ मीन्स इतने पैसे जाएंगे इक्वल टू एक्स वाई. नाउ For similarly, for second condition, x minus 15 मीन्स अगर 15 बच्चे ज़्यादा है तो मुझे कितने कैसे मिलेंगे, x प्लस वाई माइनस 6. Now let's see one, repeating again one time. I am taking x for a student, x number of student A और y amount t. x amount will be y जो मिलने वाली थी बच्चों को, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग. सो पहली कंडीशन क्या कहती है, ई स्टूडेंट गेट 2 रुपीज़ लेस इफ 10 स्टूडेंट वेयर मोर. मीन्स 10 बच्चे अगर ज़्यादा रहते तो उसको 2 रुपये कम मिलते. तो मेरी टोटल अमाउंट हुई एक्स वाई. अगर 10 बच्चे मीन्स x प्लस 10. सो मुझे कितना y माइनस 2 मीन्स अमाउंट से 2 रुपये कम मिलने वाले हैं. अगर 15 बच्चे हैं, 15 बच्चे कम है तो मुझे अमाउंट में कितने रुपए ज़्यादा मिलने वाले, y प्लस 6. दिस इज अवर टू इक्वेशन इक्वल टू एक्स वाई इक्वल टू एक्स वाई. फ्रॉम दिस वी गेट अ टू इक्वेशन, दैट इज आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस इक्वेशन वी गेट 6x minus 15y equal to 90. So we get 2x minus 5y equal to 30. So this is our second number equation, and first equation we get, solving this equation we get x minus 5y equal to 10 minus x plus 5y equal to 10. This is our first equation, this is our second equation. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get x equal to 40. मीन्स नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट कितने थे, 40. सो वी गेट नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट वैल्यू x इक्वल टू 40. सो नाउ वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग अमाउंट. सो y इक्वल टू वी गेट 10. सो नाउ टोटल अमाउंट विल बी मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दिस, वी गेट 400 रुपये. सो अपने पास टोटल अमाउंट कितना था, 400 रुपये था. इसको कितने बच्चों में बांटा था, 40 बच्चों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था. This is our solution. This is a way to approach your questions. Now, thank you for watching Success EduTech. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys.